Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Nedbank Platinum Credit Card Review. So without a further ado, let's get started. What is Nedbank Credit Card? You want to know that what is Nedbank Credit Card, and let's we are dive into what is Nedbank Credit Card. Create your Nedbank ID on the Money app or online banking before you apply. Already a Nedbank credit card, logging into the apply. How to do this? And your South African ID or a valid passport and work permit, payslip for the past 3 months, or stamp stamp bank statement for the 3 month. You need to be over 18 years old. You need to live in South Africa and have a valid South African ID or a valid passport and work permit. You need to earn at least 29,000 a month before tax and having a healthy credit score. Do you have do you know if you have a good credit score? Sure, you need to understand these things. And travel benefit, enjoy greenback exclusive discount up to 30% off your flight when you booking through greenbacks travel on the Avo Super Shop. Get travel insurance of up to 3 millions. Enjoy the beside premium club, domestics airport lounge up to 12 times a year. Get up to 10% off your accommodation when using booking.com. Enjoying the best rate of the day with an additional 5% discount for your car hire at the Avis counter. Get up to 15% off your car hire at Hertz counter. Security. Get real-time SMS for transaction. Set your transfer and withdrawal limit using the Money app. Block and replace or freeze and unfreeze your card using the Money app or cell phone banking. Stop or block your card at any time using online banking or call this number. Your card is chips and a pin enable for added security. And credit life insurance. Credit card include purchase potential with a rechargeable optional credit life cover in case of death, disability, critical illness, or retirement. Rates and fees. 67 dollar month service fees. Credit facilities for fee from 30 rs 32 a month. Zero charge on card sweeps. Convention and control Convenience and control. Free face-to-face card delivery on your new account. Get an additional card for rs35. Manage your card with the Money app or online banking. Tap and go payment feature. Scan to pay using QR code. Link your card to Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Fitbit Pay, or Garmin Pay. Create a virtual card on the Money app to make online payment without needing to provide your physical card details. Flexible repay option. Pay off your purchase over time with the budget facilities. Minimum repayment of 5% on outstanding balance. Change your credit limit on request using your card in a store, online, and ATMs or abroad. Reward and discount. Up to 2% unlimited cashback on your card spent using card to pay, and get 50% off your NU Metro movies, Twiggies, see details, and get 25 second cashback for every liter or fuel when you fill up at BP with your greenback linked card. Earn greenback on eligible spend. Use your greenback shop card as a leading store at Accept American Express. Earn more greenback with your every purchase when using your greenback linked Amex card at Accept store. Thank you so much.